Okay, so I am going to show you how to install this new ball valve controller, which is a wireless shutoff device for your main water line in case that you have a leak. It comes with the main unit that clamps on your water line, and I'll explain that. You get two of these lipsticks, which are the wireless water sensors that you're going to put under your sink or by your water heater or wherever you may feel that there could be a water leak. And what happens is on these 4 points, so wherever it sits, anytime a water hits it, it will send a wireless signal to this unit. This unit will automatically shut the water off. It's fantastic. The other thing is it will come with another sensor which plugs into the main power unit so that you have another sensor right here by the water in case you want to put it up on a pipe or something along those lines. Also comes with your outdoor waterproof AC adapter with the connector, which I'll show you, which connects, which also is waterproof. This is the key to this unit, is this is one of the only units out there, if not the only unit out there, that is UV protected and waterproof, which is great because most main water lines are outside. So that is helpful. Also, really great design. I mean, this is really nice looking. The main features on this thing, which are awesome, are these eagle claws. Okay, so these can range from anywhere from a 1/2 inch pipe to 1 1/4 inch pipe, which is super important because most pipes out there aren't, you're not going to have consistency, and it may be that somebody put in a 3/4 and a 1/2 inch. There's, you know, so many times these water lines have been cut and made larger and smaller, shorter or longer, and what's great is this has got a range, so you can actually move these clamps in. So if you have a short distance and not enough pipe to hold on to, these clamps will actually move in. No other unit out there does that, which is awesome. This little part here, which is the one that goes on the main bolt itself in order to turn the valve, is a military grade steel. So this is super durable and it's weather resistant, which is perfect. So there's a couple of features here that other units like this don't have. So this is awesome because it will give you so much flexibility. Also, it works on elbows. So if you have a line that's coming off and it elbows over, but you have it straight here, you can actually elbow this out. So one can go on the straight and the other one goes on the elbow. Perfect for almost any scenario that you can come up with, and no other competitive product is going to do that for you. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install this now, and I'm going to give you an idea how that works. Super simple.